whitening is one of the most popular treatments available these days. So let's go over the nitty-gritty of teeth whitening and put it in a nutshell for you. So let's get started. So you put a little drop at the front of the tray, mostly in the middle of the tooth, if you can see that. If the tooth is bigger, I'm going to put a little bit more in there. And then as I go towards the back of the teeth, you can see that the tooth is smaller, like this premolar, so I'm going to put a bit less in there. Come to the molar, there's no need to put any gel in there, unless you are showing your teeth molar to molar, just like Julia Roberts does. So that will be your top one. Again, this low one is done exactly the same. Teeth are a little bit smaller, so you're going to put a little bit less gel in there. And sometimes, if your teeth are really small, you can just put like a strip going across. You don't have to load every individual tooth. So that's how simple it is. Then you're going to put the tray in your mouth. It's a very snug fitting tray. Get a tissue paper and wipe over the gum so you don't have any gel sitting on your gums unnecessarily. It's not going to damage your gums. It might cause a little bit of sensitivity on your gums when you are brushing your teeth. Once you finish your whitening process, it will go back to your normal level, so don't worry about it. But if you are concerned, just give us a call. Once you've, the prescribed time could be either 45 minutes to an hour and a half, or 4 to 6 hours, or just the nighttime whitening that you sleep with your trays in. Once the time is over, you take your trays out, you will clean your teeth, and then you will literally wash the gel. It's water soluble, so it just wash out of your trays as well. Then you make sure that you put your trays back into the box so they are ready for next use, and you're not going to lose them by just leaving them at the side of the sink or something. Another little tip is, before you use your whitening trays, make sure that your teeth are clean. So there's no plaque or any food debris, which could be like a potential barrier between the gel and your teeth. That is a very important point. Now I'm going to go over the do's and don'ts when it comes to diet. You can eat whatever you like, apart from those foods which have got a strong colour in it. For example, beetroot salad, some drinks such as herbal teas, black coffee, black tea, and like red wine. It's like swimming against the tide. You're having your whitening done, and then the stains are coming back on because of the diet issues. Smoking is another thing that you've got to be careful with, because the smoke stains will be developing back on as you are cleaning and whitening your teeth. So that is, I would say that try not to smoke at all. If you really have to, I'm not promoting smoking, but for those people who want to have whitening but they can't do it because of that habit, then try to reduce it, and then make sure that you brush your teeth straight afterwards. So that's a little tip there. When it comes to sensitivity levels, some people get really scared because there's a bad press out there that you can get very sensitive teeth. Again, if you're using the right product at the right time, then you won't get sensitivity. And even if you do, it's transient. Once you finish your whitening, it should go back to its normal levels. If you are experiencing a lot of sensitivity, then there are different products on the market that you can use. We normally recommend a desensitizing toothpaste to be used anyway during the whitening process, like Sensodyne, Repair and Protect, or we've got Colgate Sensitive Pro Relief is another good one. If those are not working for you, then GC Tooth Mousse is a very good product on the market, which is, it's not a toothpaste, it's like a cream. So and it comes in some really lovely flavors like melon and strawberry and vanilla. So it's a shame they don't have any chocolate in there, but everything that you need to know to get you through your teeth whitening journey. I've covered how to look after your teeth, how to load your tray, any diet issues, and also any sensitivity management. So all of that is covered. If there's any other concerns or any questions which come to your mind, just leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer that for you. If you have any other suggestions that you want us to do more videos on, again, just leave a little comment and we'll be more than happy to do them for you. And I can't wait to see you in the clinic to get your post-whitening shade and make sure that you've got the best out of your teeth whitening treatment. And don't forget to like and subscribe to us also.